Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I make thumbnails for my YouTube video using all along Canva. So what you have to do is you just need to go on to the Canva. I have already logged in to the free version of this app because I cannot afford the paid one, and also the free version is a full package, I guess, because I make a lot of short videos and my every YouTube thumbnail from here, from this free version. So I guess it's a good thing. But if you can afford and if you can pay, you can use the paid version as well. So what I'm gonna do now is you just need to go on to the search, and I have already searched YouTube thumbnail, so I'm gonna click on this. And if you have not, you just need to write YouTube thumbnail, and you can see there are a lot of thumbnails here, and you can also make the blank one as well. But if you are a beginner, so you can use um, already made templates that would be more easy for you. And once you get all the techniques and all the um, tools to make a good thumbnail, you can also make a, a blank one as well. So I will show you uh, how to make a blank one and how to use a thumbnail as well, the already the made template thumbnail as well. So you can see there are a lot of thumbnail options. Yeah, one thing I want to tell you is, if you can see this kind of crown on anything on Canva, it means it's paid. You have to pay for that. And if you can see dollar sign, you can also use it as a paid. But uh, it is the unpaid one, so you can use this. So I'm going to click on it, and once you click on it, you can see there are a lot of related um, thumbnails, templates appear as well, so you can use them as well. So I'm gonna customize this template. Let me remind you this. This is already a made template, so you can use this. And what I'm going to tell you is, okay, so you can reduce the size of it. So if I'm gonna reduce the size of the secrets, for example, so I'm going to reduce it like that. You just need to click on the edge of the thing and you just need to drag in, and you can see here, when I drag in or drag out, you can see here the changing of the size. You can uh, observe. So if you do not want to do this, you can also increase or decrease the size from here as well. Okay, and one additional thing is you can change the style of your writing as well. So for example, I'm going to choose black bonds. So yeah, you can see you can change the writing style as well. Okay, one more thing that I want to tell you is, if you want to change the color of this, you can also change the color of your style as well. So there are a lot of things to learn in Canva. And uh, for example, my video uh, is all about secrets of the glowing skin. So I'm going to write secrets you should know uh, about glowing skin, and I'm gonna change the size, and I'm gonna change the position of this thing. So you can see there are a lot of methods you can use on this app. So yeah, I'm gonna change the picture as well. Alright, you can also change the color of the background as well. This is our background, and I'm going to change the color of my background into this. So what I'm going to show you, what I'm going to tell you is you can change the background as well. So if you want to duplicate this, and you want to duplicate this, if you want to duplicate anything in this, you just need to right click on it and you just need to duplicate it. Okay, so I don't want this, but I want to tell you about it, so I did it. So it's not necessary here, so I'm going to delete it. So for example, if you have created any mess, like I don't want to delete it, but suddenly I delete it, you just need to go there and undo this. Alright, and what I am going to show you is you have a lot of options right here as well. So there, if I click on the design, you can see there are a lot of options on it. If I click on vlog, so you can see there are a lot of vlog kind of thumbnails, templates which are already made. You just need to put the pictures in it, and you just need to choose the right option for your thumbnail. Alright, so if you have a food video, so you just need to click on the food and you can insert the picture. For example, I'm gonna add picture here, and I'm gonna add this picture here. So you can see there you can remove this picture and you can add the picture as well, and you can also change the writing style of your as well, and you can also change the hiding of it. So yeah, what I am going to do is I'm going to delete it, because I just want to tell you how the things works. Okay, so the second thing is element. So when you click on the element, you can see there are recently used, which I used in the past videos, and you can see there are a lot of options like shapes. For example, I'm going to add this one, and for example I will show you how I do this. So for example, I wanted to highlight the secrets. Okay, so I'm going to do what I am going to click on it, and obviously I want the secret on the top of this red. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the secret, and I'm going to click on the layer and bring forward. So you will see secret is uh, sorry, you just need to click on it, on the secret. So you can see secret is now on the red color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the red color, and I'm going to uh, change change a little bit, uh, change the position of it, and I'm going to when I click on it and I right click on it, I click on the layer and send backward. Wait a second, you just need to sometimes Canva is going little hell if you're internet is a little slow, so just don't need to worry. uh, being sent backward. So when I send backward, you can see secret is highlighted now. So you can also use the box, so there are graphics, you can put graphics on there them, and there are stickers. You can also search it here, like I've already searched subscribe button, so you can see I'm gonna use unpaid one, and you just need to reduce the size of it, and I'm gonna place it under this person, or on the t-shirt of this person, for example. So this is not a perfect thumbnail, but I'm going to tell you, you can change. What I'm going to try to tell you is you can change according to your demands. Okay, so this is a thing. You can add shapes, photos, and you can also add the frames. For example, I don't want this person uh, large, so I want to put this into this frame, and I'm going to uh, yeah, you can change everything according to yourself. Alright, so yeah, I put this into the frame. You can also change the frame as well. So there are a lot of options of frames in here. You can change the frames, and yeah. So let's move on to the third option. This is the text option. Alright, so if you want to add a text box, I'm gonna click on